Welcome to the flip through of the Steampunk journal. If you want to see a close-up of all the tassel pieces, then I have a video on that which I'll link. It was part of Jovi's, Creating with Jovi, and her Tassel a Day. I've also got a video on how I did the cover, so that one will be in the playlist of unfinished projects. So go and have a peek at that if you want to see how I put the cover together. And we're going to go inside. So we've got a big large tag here. And as you can see, the book is covered in this wonderful cork wallpaper, which I absolutely love. We've made these, and it's like an offset tag, so that it goes in the window when you put it in, like that. I love it. Another little tag here. And little tags tucked in there. Nameplate on there. Very grungy, and bits of sewing, collages. Lots of grungy papers. Little flips, so you can open this up and you've got some writing space underneath for any writing that you don't want people to actually see. It's a digital, and you open it up like this and this way, and I've popped a little postcard in the back for writing on, and tucked in here is just a little piece of paper for writing, more writing. Tag. And then I've covered this with just some paper because obviously this is not writable. And on the back we've got just a little collage on the page and a bit of writing space. Another postcard in there. I thought it was quite grungy. All about, it looks like it's a traveller. Lots of stamping and stenciling. Some of my grungy corner pockets, I've got a video on that as well. I'll link that in the description box if you want to go and see how I did these. Nice big tag in this pocket. The pocket is just a bag that goes through to the other side. And as you can see, it looks nice on both sides. Oh, centre page. I don't usually dangle anything on them, but I've left them long so that if you want to, you can put something on there, or you can cut them off. Up to you. The other side of the bag, and another tag. And I like being able to have something on both sides. Some more grungy paper. All part of my kit. One of my little ripped pockets. It's not a pocket. Ripped window page. Tags in there. This is all just a digital that I made to make the journal. I forget what I'm saying halfway through a sentence. Another tag there. And that tucks up into this corner pocket. More stamping and stenciling. I think I actually printed this one onto the page. This is the folio. So we did the cover together, and I finished it off with tag in there, and I finally found somewhere for this bit, so that's writing space. And that tucked in. Oh, come on out. So more, just a old postcard. A couple more of the little tags. On this side I put a little tag in our pocket, our window pocket. And if you open it up, I'm just going to check we can actually still see. just about. Put little tag in, made another big card. Oh, look, it's the same. Didn't even notice that. In here we've got tag and a tag. And there's another pocket here. More tags here. Little tuck spot there. Open this side. Now I must be out of frame. There we go. Little tag there, just with something on the back. Another couple of tags in this side. Loads of little journaling spots. Close that one up. Nothing on the back. And I have added something else. So this is something I'd already made, and I just thought I might as well pop it in. And I had two elastics. So one's on one elastic and the folio's on the other. And this I've just sort of finished off and popped in. And you do need a bit of, this is just crinkly wool. It's really cool. And it's made out of envelopes, and you just open it up and there's a little tag in there. And inside there's like a little journal, just plain for writing. And inside you just open it up again. And in here is another little notepad with some just plain paper. And there's room here if you want to put some more pockets. But I've left it, and you just fold it all back up. I'd made it, so I had to put it in. I didn't want to waste it. So that's that one. And right at the back, we've got a little envelope pocket. This is an envelope that's got all the little bits that I didn't use. And I haven't fussy cut them, but I've just cut them ready for you to fussy cut. I did start, but then I thought, I'm not very good, so I'll let you do the fussy cutting when you buy the journal. And then there's a little tag in here. And I've backed this obviously with some book page. And I did find a space for that. So that's the flip through of the Steampunk journal. Another one off my list of unfinished projects. I'm so happy how it turned out, considering the rocky start. As you may remember, I have a completely different cover that I have now got to use. So I will be using that one and making another one, but not yet. Okay, thank you so much for watching the flip through. I hope it's given you a bit of inspiration and that you've enjoyed following along as we made the journal. Bye for now.